Welcome to day 13 of 100 Days AI Challenge. We are just seeing each day a AI tool. So today, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is certifier. The case study or use case what we have is we need to generate a certificate instead of using a professional tools like Photoshop. Okay, so what we can do with this presentation AI tool, we can generate a certificates in less than 30 seconds of the time. So the tool name is certifier.io and you can give a basic details. I'm just giving. So Manvaasam Institute. I click on next. What type of business you are? Okay, so we are educational institute. I click on next. What you will see credentials for, okay, or certificates for. Okay, so here I will be looking for an online course. And next, how many do you need? Okay, let's take like from 1,100 to 1,000. How often do you need to issue certificates? A couple of times per year, every month, or more often? And I'll click on next. What is your main objective in certifier? So save time and automate credential issuing process. And I'll click on next. Now the registration is successful. I can click on this, play with certifier. So let's issue your first certificate and the batch. Okay, got it. And there is a credentials limit. Okay, I can create 250 per year. Okay, that's a huge. So you can add key details and you can create it. For example, here create create a certificate design. Let me click on this. There are n number of certificate designs are available. We can choose that. Let's take image. If you have, you can add a company logo. Here it will get changed. And the elements, you can add some other elements like this. And text, you can add it here. And other dynamic attributes like credential, expiry date, issue date. And if you want, you can add the QR code as well. And the layers you can build on this. So going back to the template, let me choose one template which is based on the landscape and the portrait. So simple basic one. Yes. So this is much better. Okay. So I clicked on this and you can change the dates. For example, the company name. Click on this. And I will change it here. Okay. For example, if you have an image, just click on upload image. I have taken from downloads. So image got uploaded. You can delete this and you can add it here. And you can add it in the top as well. And certification of attorneys. In the presenting name, you can add it here and it will automatically get generated. And the issue certificate, managing director, and things you can add, all those things you can add. And create design. It is creating a design for you. The goal of this particular tool is we can generate n number of certificates in very short period of time. So that's the beauty of this. And the name, I will give my name. And even you can create a group. Under this group, you can add n number of names. So that in a single shot, you can create a group here. Okay, then I click on this, save. If I click on this issue credentials or certificates, so where you want to upload manually one by one, or you can do it via spreadsheet. Okay, so here you can create a spreadsheet and you can add it one by one. So here I will go with add recipient. So the recipient name, I can add it here. Click on this add recipient, for example, test one. The recipient email ID training at manvaasam.com. Okay, at least one recipient to proceed further. So preview before issuing certificate. So recipient, issue date, and the expiry date. If you want, you can keep it. Now the certificate is ready. So we click on this issue credentials, issue immediately, or could you like to email your credentials to the recipient? Yes, then issue immediately. So now the email has been sent to the user. Okay, no need to proper manual emails for the students, all those things. So, and it comes with the pricing. You can explore the pricing part. See, a starter plan starts with 42 and the premium plan, then the professional plan, and the advanced plan. And you have a credit points of 1000 credit points early, and you can use it. And the issuer you can see, and the account details you can see. All those things will be available. A simplest and easiest method, okay, where you can go and create the certificates. And again, you have a dashboard here. So how many certificates you have issued. So everything you will see it in a thing. So now we'll go and see whether this particular email has been reached. Let me stop sharing and I will start sharing once. See, I got an email. So you click on view and I'll click on this download. And email also we have received it. And you can download this particular file. So it looks. See, if you want, you can go for the printed certificate as well. So awesome, right? So the beauty of this particular tool, you can create a certificate and issue to the user. And for mass certification issue, this is one of the best tool with limited features. I hope so you are enjoying this AI-based training 100 days AI challenge. If you want to know more related to AI tools, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and catch up the next another video.